Yo guys, welcome back to Pokemon India official. We are back guys with a new video guys, and sorry for the late uploads because I was not well guys after the meetup and giveaway, so the video has been late uploaded, so that's it. And now let's go into the video guys. So what we're gonna do in the today's video, the first of all guys, we will let you know each and everything about the attackers and the defenders in the gym guys. Yes, like which is the best Pokemon for your team, and what are the Pokemons you really need to defend the gym and to attack the gym guys. So without wasting our time, let's go start the video guys. Yes guys, the first Pokemon which is in the place of the defender and it's a tank. Yes guys, everyone knows, and it's a Blissey guys. Yes, the Blissey is a beast right now in the game, and as you guys know, it can goes up to 3219 CP guys. Yes, the highest CP of the Blissey is 3219. And yes, it's a normal type Pokemon, so it's very hard to defend a normal type Pokemon. Like when you are having a fighting type, that only you can win against it. And the counter Pokemon which can take down the Blissey is Machamp and the Urseng guys. Yes, if Urseng have the total like both attacks of the fighting types, I can you can check guys which Urseng you need to take down the Blissey. This is the Urseng. It should have a close combat and a counter. So by this you can take down the Blissey very easily, because the Blissey have a Zen Hutbag, which is a Zyke move, and if you are using a Machamp and if that move is available with the Blissey, then it will cause very problems to the Machamp, because the Zyke is very much super effective against the fighting types guys. So yes, the first place is a Blissey, and here I have a Blissey of like 200 CP. It's almost like 2300, and it's of 98 IVs guys. Yes, so if you have a Blissey like this, it's very much wonderful. You can put it in the gym and it will tank the gym very easily guys. Best attack moves for the Blissey is, if you are attacking with it, the best attack moves is a Pound and Hyper Beam guys. Yes, both of them have the high DPS, damage per second, and if you are having a Blissey which should defend the gym, the best defending attack is, or the move is, then Headbutt and Dazzling Gleam guys. Yes, I don't have that, but it's okay with it. And yes, these are the moves you need it for attack and for defense guys. So the first place is the Blissey. Now let's move on to the second place guys. So guys, the second place which has been taken by the Pokemon in the Pokemon Go is like Snorlax guys. Yes, after the Blissey, the Snorlax is the maximum HP Pokemon in the game, and yes, it goes to like the highest CP of it is like 3355, and yes, the weakness is again the fighting type, as it is also same as the Blissey, as a normal type Pokemon. So the weakness is also the same as the Blissey. It's also weak against the fighting type guys. So the same thing, if you want to counter this Pokemon, you need a Machamp or a Urseng or any Pokemon which have a fighting moves. And guys, the best attack for the Snorlax is Zen Headbutt and the Hyper Beam, and for defense it should have the Zen Headbutt and Body Slam or Earthquake. I think so the Body Slam is more powerful than the Hyper Beam guys, because you can easily dodge a Earthquake or a Hyper Beam with one dodge, but if you have a Body Slam, it's very hard to like dodge it twice or thrice in the game, in the fight guys. So let's move on to the third place. It's actually not a third place guys, but it's like 2.5th, and you can check out all the Pokemons which I have been like saying you. It has been given by the Niantic itself, so link is down in the description guys. You can go and you can check out these Pokemons, like how they have been sorted and how they have been given the best defender of the gym and the attacker of the gym guys. So link is down in the description guys. You can go and you can check out it guys. There are 4 Pokemons which are on this place. It's Traniritar, yes, the generation 2 Pokemon, Dragonite, the beast in generation 1, Rhydon, and the Gyarados. So there are 3 Pokemons of generation 1 and 1 of generation 2 guys. Yes, the Traniritar is a beast right now, like it can goes up to more than a Dragonite, and this is the only Pokemon which have the highest CP, which is of 3500 plus guys. Yes, even the Dragonite can go just till 3581, but the Traniritar goes to 3670 guys. Yes, so it's a beast right now in the game, and but I don't think so it's worthy for an attacker and a defender too, as a Snorlax or as a Blissey guys. Even that's why it just came to the so down in the list of these Pokemons guys. So guys, why it is not so powerful in the game right now is the reason the type, guys. Yes, it's have the rock type, which is super effective, and it can be easily taken down by the grass type and a water type and a fighting type, ice type. So mainly every Pokemon can counter dip. Every Pokemon can easily take down the Tyranitar in the game, guys. If you have a victory bell of like 1600 or 1700 CP, it can take down the Tyranitar of 3000 CP very easily, because the solar beam and all the big attacks such as Hydro Bomb can easily take down, because it's a rock type. The best moveset for attacking is Bite and Stone Edge for the Tyranitar, and for defend you need a Iron Tail and a Crunch. So if you have this attack like Iron Tail and a Crunch, you can put it into the gem, it will defend it very well. And guys, if you have an attack such as Bite and Stone Edge, you can use it for the attacker, as an attacker in a gym, guys. So let's move on to this second, which is Dragonite, guys. Yes, most of the player are using Dragonite in the gym, guys. So it's that worthy or not, just go and let's check out, guys. Yes, it is worthy. Like it can go for the highest CP, and it is very like fast attacker in the gym, so it is worthy to have a Dragonite in the gym. Which moveset of Dragonite should be there in the gym, guys? So if you have a new attacks of Dragonite, I don't think so many people will have these attacks, because after the generation 2, the best defensive attack of Dragonite is Dragon Tail and Outrage. Even for the attacking mode, this moveset is a beast. If you have a Dragonite with a Dragon Tail and the Outrage, your Dragonite is a beast, guys. Yes, you can easily take down the gyms, you can easily defend that gym, and just put on this Pokemon into the gym if you have the attack Dragon Tail and Outrage, guys. So it is weak against the, again, ice type, electric type and a rock type. So it is little bit of not that good as respond to the Snorlax and the Blissey, guys. So guys, the third Pokemon which is in the list is like a Rhydon. Yes, guys, it's like going to the highest CP of 3300, and it is weak against the water type, grass type, fighting type and ice type too, guys. So it's not that much, but the HP of the Rhydon is much more than the Dragonite and the Tyranitar, guys. And if you want as an attacker, you should have this attack and Mud Slap and Earthquake. The same attack will be useful for the defense, guys. So if you have these both, the attack like Mud Slap and the Earthquake, you can use it as a attacker or as a defender, guys. So let's move on to the next. It's a Gyarados, guys. Yes, mainly the major Pokemon which are been used in the gyms is a Gyarados. It can move up to the 3281 CP, the highest CP of Gyarados is, and it is again weak against the grass type and electric type, the both grass type and the electric type, guys. So if you want it as a attacker, the mainly attack should be like a Dragon Tail and a Hydro Pump as an attacker, and if you want it as a defender, the attack should be Dragon Tail and Outrage, guys. Yes, the Outrage, which is a new attack, so you have to make a Gyarados of it if you don't have, guys, and even the Dragon Tail is a new attack. Now let's go on to the third place in this list, guys. The third place is a Lapras and a Vaporeon, guys. Yes, the Lapras is very much no use in the game. I don't know why they have done it, but the Lapras has been no useful at all right now, guys, because you can't put it in the gem if you have a Lapras lesser than a 1900 CP, guys. Yes, because if you are putting a Lapras in the gym which is of not even of 2000 CP, it will be a last or at the end of the gym, which can be easily taken down by the another player, guys. So if you have a Lapras, make sure that it should be like more than 2000 plus or 2200 plus. Even I don't have, I got a Lapras which is of 1900, guys, so I want that Lapras to be more than 2300 plus CP, guys. So the Lapras now is been buffered, and it just now going to the maximum Lapras CP is 2980, and it is weak against the electric type, grass type, fighting type, rock type, guys. Yes, all these types are been very super effective against it. And for an attacker and for a defender, the one attack you need is this, guys, a Frost Breath and a Blizzard. Now one thing, guys, I have to tell you that there is a attack which is known as the Avalanche, and it is an awesome attack. I don't know why they have not given to the Lapras. I think so the Avalanche attack is a pure ice attack, and even the Lapras is the ice type. I don't know why it is not given. So just comment down below if you guys know about it, guys. Just comment into the comment section below why the Avalanche attack has been not given to the Lapras, guys. Pokemon is a Vaporeon, guys. Yes, and if you have tons of Vaporeon, you can take down a 10 level gym very easily, because that much important Vaporeon is, guys. Yes, it's a very tanky and very awesome Pokemon and the Pokemon Go, guys. After also it just buffered everything, but still it is beast in the game right now. Means you can use it very powerfully. Like, it can take down a Dragonite, it can take down the Rhydons, Tranaritar, and everything which are there in the game, because the CP and the HP, and I don't know why it is so bulky in the game. The stats, even the Thunder or even the pure electric Pokemon can't take down the Vaporeon very easily. Even the grass type is not taking down it. So I think so the Vaporeon is very much good in the game, and if you have more than 2500 plus Vaporeon, so it will be very helpful to you to attack into the gym by that Vaporeon, and if you have more than that, you can easily put down into the gym to defend it. So guys, the highest CP of the Vaporeon goes to 3157, guys. Yes, so it is weak against the electric type and the grass type. Even the pure, as I told you, even the pure electric and the grass type can't take it into the like one shot. Like, guys, even the thunder and a solar beam don't affect it that much onto the another Pokemon, that much damage which is happened to the another Pokemons, guys. So it is weak against the electric and the grass type, guys. And the attack which you need for attacker and a defender is guys, a water gun and a hydro pump. If you have the Vaporeon with a water gun and hydro pump, it is good for you as an attacker and also as a defender, guys. So let's move on to the next, guys. The next is like the 3.5 or 3.5 we can say, which is given in the Pokemon Go list, guys. There are like mainly a lot of Pokemon which just comes under this section, guys. The Pokemons which are coming into this section is a Dolphin, Espeon, Executor, Ampharos or Amorphous or Ampharos, I don't know what, Slowbro, Slowking, and a Steelix, guys. So the all highest CP of every Pokemon is this, and the best attacks for these Pokemons are this, guys. You can check out over here. And guys, the last but not the least, guys, these are the Pokemons which are been never used in the gyms as a defender, guys. I don't know why, but yes, the list which is provided by the Niantic has given this Pokemon. It's a Cloyster, Clefable, Hypno, Embryon, guys. Yes, I don't know why they have given it, but these Pokemons are here, guys. So the maximum CP of these Pokemons are this, guys. You can check out over here. And the best attack moves are this, guys. You can check out over here. So that's it, guys, for the today's video. And if any Pokemon which you are knowing that it is much or more defender in the gym, or a best defender or the attacker, just comment into the comment section below, guys. And yes, the meetup is been done, guys. Thank you guys for coming and showing the interest for the Pokemon Go. And the winner of the meetup and giveaway will be disclosed on the Facebook, guys, so you can go and check out over there in the group. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And guys, yes, and sorry for the late upload again, as I was not well. Now the videos will be coming for daily basis for sure, guys. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please hit that like button, guys. Like, subscribe, and peace, guys. See ya.